How to fix an error has occurred in the script on this page on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you're getting this kind of pop-up error message. Let's just get right into it. So the very first thing you want to do here is go ahead and go to the search icon and open Internet Options. Search for it. Click on Internet Option. And from here, you want to go ahead and delete your temporary files. So on General, go ahead and click on Delete. Make sure the temporary internet files, cookies, and if you want, you can delete history, but I'll just uncheck this and then tap on Delete, then tap on Apply, and then OK. And before you do that, the second step is actually going over to Advanced. And you need to disable the script debugging. So if this is unselected, just make sure this one is checked over here. Click on Apply and then OK. And from there, the next step is to clear out your temporary files. So open Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R, and then simply search for %temp%. Click on OK. It's going to take you to this folder. Just go ahead and select any one of them. Press Ctrl plus A to select all, and then press Shift Delete. Once you've done that, click on Yes. As you can see, there are over 5,400 items, and it's going to start deleting these. Now, if it shows in pop-up saying that it's not able to delete any other items, then you just have to skip those and just delete the rest of them. And that's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.